I'm going to show you how to light a military surplus immersion heater. This is a gasoline fired. Gasoline. If I can do this with one hand. Fill the little cup up, or partially up, just put fuel in it. Cut it off. Strike my match. Light it. Put it in there. Let it go. Let it burn. See the little burning. Let it heat up in the tube there till this pipe gets slightly warm to the touch, which is warm there now. Turn the gas on till you get it dripping like a bead of pearls. Light the gas. Blow that out, and it is on. Don't stick your head over the pipe though, because it blows back, it'll burn you pretty bad. And you just want that fuel dripping. It should look like a bead of pearls. Make sure your vent's on right here. That's actually probably a little fast. I'll shut it down. And that is gasoline like you put in your car. These heaters are available online through military surplus dealers and eBay and such as that. And what I've got in is a 55-gallon drum with PEX tubing wrapped all the way to the bottom. I have my water coming in, going through, coming out, and then into my grow beds. My fish tank, it actually feeds into my sump underneath. And then from the sump, it gets picked up and dispersed into everything else. But my water coming in never mixes with this water. It never mixes. So I'm just using this as a heat exchanger. But doing this, it's not very cold right now, but it has been last day or two. But got some very healthy looking tomato. That's one tomato plant, believe it or not, and it just keeps blooming. These are collard greens, which I've been eating off of these for the last month and a half. You can see there's some tomatoes there. It's full of tomatoes. I got tomatoes all over this thing. It's one plant. But more importantly, it keeps my fish warm. I've got 25 blue tilapia. They're all about 8 or 9 inches long by now. But they're in there. And it's going to get cool tonight, so my water ought to stay pretty warm all night long. Appreciate you watching.